But to close and raise capital, that's the most valuable presentation. The three things you have to cover is what we do, how does it benefit you, what you should do about it. Okay? What we do will have in it who we are. If you want to start a little bit with this, don't dwell on it too long. Have you ever been to, like I've been to startup companies where the owner of the company is a student in my class, and he said, I need you to come take a look at this. I think you're going to want to invest in my company. And I don't care if they invented something that's going to be ladders from here to directly to heaven. That's their invention. I'm not going to invest in it. I just don't do business stuff like that. But I go and I listen. And the guy, the CEO of this startup company, introduces himself. Usually it's a male who's doing this. 20 minutes about, I started in 1976, and then when I did this, and I mean, 4 or 5 minutes into it, okay, I got it. You're a genius in technology. I don't know anything about it. And I look at the rest of people, and they're like, they already went to sleep. So don't take too long introducing things. Here's what we do. If you notice, the video is what we do. It's basically who we are, what we do, how does it benefit you, drops your tax to this, is this, what you should do about it. Set up a free consultation.